Hi, I'm Bhumika Dasar, Assistant Professor of CPJ College. Welcomes you to the Health Mela, an initiative by NSS Cell, CPJ College. Today with me is Mr. Vishnu and representative of Clove. Kindly introduce us.
Hi CPJ College, I am Vishnu from Clove Dental and Whistle and Smile team. So we did a camp previous year and it was a great organized by CPJ College, and this year we are again here with the huge camp, and we can see all efforts done by CPJ College, ma'am and son, and we really want to come again and again, and like all years which are coming to the future, and these are like, it's a great camp I have ever seen in my like entire life, organized by CPJ College. Thank you CPJ College.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an honor to have you with us.